Hello, and welcome to our video presentation on spine health with SOQI products. In this video, we will discuss why spine health is so important, how SOQI products can help increase your spinal health, introduce you to a routine you can do with our products, and share with you some of our special product packages that will be available only in the month of August. Do you suffer from spinal curves, back pain, or decreased mobility related to the spine? The spine is the main support system in the human body. When the spine is out of balance, it can cause health problems. To stand upright and walk, we need our spine to be healthy and to function properly. When there are misalignments along the spine, over time, they can put additional stress on individual vertebra and discs, causing wear and tear that may ultimately cause chronic back problems. Most of your organs and internal structures rely on the spine to function. When the spine is misaligned, it can cause issues throughout the entire body. Did you know that 80% of all chronic illnesses are related to the spine in some way? In addition to being the main support pillar of our bodies, the spine is also home to our central nervous system. Our entire body relies on messages from the brain, which are sent through the spine. When the spine is hurt or misaligned, it can interfere with this communication and worsen existing issues. We have chosen to highlight 4 of our products that are beneficial to spine health. In the next few slides, we will discuss how each of these products benefit your spine health. All of our products are part of the SOQI multi-energy approach. Our main goal as a brand is to use different types of energy, in this case, motion, heat, and herbal, to promote wellness and holistic health. Our Chi Machine is a unique product that uses motion energy to create aerobic exercise for the user. When using the Chi Machine, lie flat down on your back. Be sure not to put too much stress on any specific part of your spine. You can use a towel or a yoga mat underneath your body for additional comfort. As the machine moves back and forth, it will help increase blood flow to the spine and help correct certain misalignments. Our ceramic heater features fur technology that emits gentle heat for soothing chemotherapy. Our fur pad uses the same fur technology as the ceramic heater. The fur pad is portable and easy to use at home, in the office, or while traveling. Fur heat is specifically designed to emit 8 to 10 microns of heat, which is the section of the far infrared spectrum that is most beneficial to the human body. This wavelength reaches deep into the soft tissues and grants pain relief. Our SOQI graphene belt also uses fur technology, along with providing support for your waist and core muscles. Our graphene belt is ideal for those who suffer from lower back pain or menstrual cramps. The additional support provided by the belt may also help with poor posture related to spinal problems. Our body profile lotion uses natural plant extracts from guarana, ginger, and cinnamon. This formula creates a soothing and relaxing effect that makes it perfect to use on sore muscles or for a relaxing massage. It is completely safe to use and eases pain related to body structure stress. On this slide, we have outlined a spa routine that you can perform for yourself or a client. The first step of this routine is to apply the body profile lotion to your back, ideally around the area or areas where you're having problems. Then we recommend that you use the Chi Machine for 15 minutes a day, twice a day. We also recommend that you use the fur pad and ceramic heater for 30 minutes twice a day. As you can see here in the illustration, It is possible to use the Chi Machine fur pad and ceramic heater simultaneously for best results. We also recommend using the graphene belt for 30 minutes a day, twice a day, but not at the same time as the ceramic heater and fur pad. Some of the benefits of using these products include relief for lower back pain, balancing of the spine, posture correction, immunity improvement, circulation improvement,